Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet to bank account. Once your Swissborg account is set up and funded, go to Portfolio, click Deposit, and select Crypto Transfer. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, for example, Solana. Click I understand, copy the deposit address, and return to Trust Wallet. In Trust Wallet, click Send, select SOL, paste the copied address, enter the amount, and add a memo if needed. Then click Next and Deposit. The funds will be transferred directly to your Swissborg wallet. After your funds appear in Swissborg, go to Portfolio and exchange your crypto to Euro or USD. Next, go to Euros and click Withdraw. Add your bank account, select the country, for example, Hungary, and click Next. Once all the required information is entered, your money will be successfully transferred to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.